Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and it's Friday, and so you know what that means is I'm one day behind to share with you guys the top wallpaper apps for this week for your Android smartphone. So let's begin. So the first one is called WALLOOP, if I'm pronouncing that right. So WALLOOP is an amazing wallpaper that has been number one in the charts for one of the new apps for this week, and it is an amazing wallpaper app. There's a ton of wallpapers to choose from in the categories area. So, but what makes this one interesting is that it also mixes live wallpaper at the same time. So you have the best of both, uh, the best of two choices, I guess. So if you're a fan of live wallpapers, then there's a ton of awesome live wallpapers that you could choose from to make your Android setup stand out when you're sharing. And then, of course, if you're not a fan of live wallpaper, then there's also other cool wallpapers to choose from in the categories area. So, like AMOLED or animals or blur or bokeh, if I'm pronouncing that right, aerial view, abstract, 3D, and just really cool. And there's some wallpapers here that have the device setup. So like there's a few here from the OnePlus 5, if that's the latest smartphone from OnePlus. So you'll have the wallpapers from them, and it's just really cool. If you're a fan of Google, there's some aerial shots of the Google wallpaper that they use on the Nexus. I mean on the Pixel 2. And so yeah, there's just a bunch to choose from here. So there's a ton of categories that you'll choose from, and there's probably one that you'll find and like here that you might that you might like here. So yeah, that's WALLOOP for you guys. And next and not least, we have one called Aerial. So I checked out Aerial. I'm not sure if I checked it out on Android or on iOS, but Aerial is a fantastic aerial drone video footage wallpaper. So it's a live wallpaper app that has drone shots of different cityscapes that people have taken. So if you want to see some cool Hong Kong shots, then there are some cool Hong Kong shots here, and that you'll be able to preview before you get to install the live wallpaper. And it's just really cool. It's nice and slow. It kind of reminds me of that feature that Apple added on the Apple TV as a screensaver, which moves nice and slowly in your wallpaper. So it's pretty neat, pretty cool. And so yeah, so if you're a fan of aerial shots and want live wallpaper of some fantastic drone shots, I highly recommend you guys go check out Aerial. So that's it for now, guys, and and if you guys enjoyed this video, please do like this video because that helps, or subscribe because that helps also. So that's it for now, guys, and I will see you guys later. Peace.